If you're planning a road trip, don't just wing it. These simple tips will save your sanity and your snacks. Let's roll. First up, snacks are basically fuel for your soul. Pack way more than you think you need, and then double it. Next, don't trust your phone's GPS alone. Download maps offline, because you never know when you'll enter the land of zero signal. Plan your playlists or podcasts, so you're not stuck listening to static or your friend's questionable singing. Bring a small trash bag. Trust me, empty chip bags multiply faster than rabbits. And don't forget a first aid kit, because nothing ruins an adventure like a mystery scrape. Last but not least, be flexible. Sometimes the best parts of a road trip are the random stops and weird roadside attractions. So pack smart, buckle up, and get ready for some unforgettable stories. Happy travels, road warriors!